What are you doing?
It's snowing, surprisingly. Last video we made, it was like summer. It was really hot out, but now it's freezing and it's snowing. Can't believe it happened that fast, right?
How do you make the perfect snowball?
Perfect snowball?
Yeah.
Well, this stuff is powder, so you really can't make a snowball with it, but if you have the right one, which down below all this is the perfect stuff, because it was snowing earlier, and put down perfect stuff.
How much do you have to compact it?
About like your fist size, and just compact it as small as you can.